What are the benefits of using drones for roof inspections? The fourth most dangerous job in America is a roofer, according to a 2018 USA Today poll. When you use drones to perform roof inspections, you'll need less boots on the ground, or boots on the roof, so to speak, and therefore put fewer people in danger of having a fall that may injure them permanently. Using drones to help reduce injuries will not only be safer, but will save you money on insurance costs. Perform more inspections in a day. Drones provide the most accurate measurements and data. Pinpoint accuracy. Roof reports provide square footage, roof features, pitch, surface area, and slope. Receive a report of the inspection in a PDF and DXF file. Put drones into your workflow today. Contact Los Angeles Aerial Image at www.losangeles.aerialimage.com.